So today we got another package. So guys, open it with me. Let's go. Oh no, you gotta keep this thing. Oh my god, I don't know. Okay, see, that used to be much. This was a top. I got it for 3,000. Precious, it's not chaotic now. Don't be this one. Tell me that is going to size me.
Yes.
Okay, this is time. She's going to size me. Choose extra large.
Let me launch it for you.
Yeah, wait, let me see. But I'll wear it later on by myself. Okay, guys. The next one, I don't know why they did it. The package did that way, but this one. Open it. Oh my god, guys. What is this? It's a lip liner, like all these lip liner that you like rub, then you peel it out. And I got this. It's cute. It's for busting pimple patch. So I have my own now. One is for face.
So it's something that you bring out like an elastic.
Yeah, from here to carry your face up. Yeah, face lifter. Face lifter.
Yeah,
It looks worth it.
This time compared to the last.
Oh my god, my glasses.
My glasses.
I had in secondary school and I really loved it. I actually got it from just anywhere. So I saw this glass and I really thought that, oh my god, this is going to fit me. Look at this I see wear that time. Sunset lamp. The sunset lamp, guys. Look at it, yo. It's working. Okay, there's no battery. Oh my god, this top. XL. Please. It's actually transparent, guys. Look at that. Marvelous. Yes! This is good. Look at the hand. It was 5K. So guys, yet again. What is this? Oh! I got the basic top. I got this 5K.
Easy to swim.
And I got it. Okay, maybe. The clothes is perfect. I love it. Hey guys, this was a 2-in-1 12K skirt. Black and floral. Oh my god. Yeah, the design. It's going to size me, right? The dresses are actually accurate when it comes to TEMU. I believe today. TEMU is now fake, guys.
Make sure you check your description box.
See this girl.
Want to be surprised.
Okay, guys. Jesus, wait. Okay, sorry, it's me that don't know how to unbox bag. So it's perfect
For me.
Now I'm carrying that one to school. I'm carrying it to school. So ciao. And everything together was 40K. Do you think it was fair? Was it worth it? I think it was worth it.
Yeah.
Thank God. Guys,
So
I would have cried. Yeah, don't be afraid. Just make sure you read the description and everything. Be happy. So bye guys. Thank you for watching.